Hi everyone, welcome back to Clarity Face Painting. I'm Izzy and today we are going to be doing a snake face paint tutorial. For this one, what we're going to have is the snake leading around our face and then the snake mouth is going to be our mouth. So this is a really fun face paint and I'm very excited. I'm starting with the base colour. We're going for a classic green snake and let's just get into it. Even though we're going to be adding more definition, I'm just filling in the whole thing with green right now, and then we will go over the top with the other colours that we're going to use. So what I'm doing now is the top of the head of the snake that we're going to have. So already you can see what we're going for. So we've got the snake, and then the snake mouth here. So now that we've got our base down, we're going to wait for this to dry for a little bit, and then we're going to add a sort of yellower belly to the underneath. So here I've done this part as the underbelly, and we're saying that around here the body of the snake is rotating, so the bottom of the snake then becomes at the top. So we're going to highlight up to here, just sort of where my left eye ends, and then continue up where my right eyebrow is. Okay, now that we've got the highlights for the underbelly, I'm going to go back in with black and outline these areas and add details to the body of the snake. Okay, so that's the outline done, and now I'm going to go in and add details to the top and the bottom of the snake body. So there you go, I've added the details. So here you can see how the underbelly sort of transfers to being on the side there. You have that straight line and then it slowly starts to curve around. And here with the design where I've transferred from the top half of the body, when it turns around, I've just continued the design that's on the top over here to the bottom and then continued it on the other side. So now we're going to go on to more of the face detail. So pretty much all of this is done. Now we're going into the face. So I'm going to start off with the red for the tongue under the mouth. So now that we finished the tongue, we're going to move on to the eyes. So at this point, I would definitely change your water because we've been using such dark colours. You're going to really struggle to get a bright colour like white into these dark colours. So definitely change your water at this point. I'd say that's bright enough. So while we've got the white on our brush, I'm also going to add little fangs on either side of the tongue. So there we go. For more ease of colour application, you'd be better off leaving the spaces where you're adding white blank. So you would draw sort of a line around them when you're applying the green. But I'm just showing you that if you forget to do that, it's not impossible to get white in. So the last step I'm going to do is add some red irises and some black pupils, and then we'll be done. So there we go, we have our own snake mouth, and that looks so cool. Thank you all so much for watching Clarity Face Paint's snake face paint tutorial. comment down below what face paint you would like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.